Hi sweeties, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry if I'm looking super sweaty, gross. It's because it's 34 degrees Celsius here in London. And my room is like the warmest room in the whole entire universe. And I have to keep my windows closed because of the noise. So I really hope you appreciate this video. And I hope that you don't mind that I'm a little bit shiny. You know, it's a mix of sweat with lime crime highlighter. Lovely. Ready for the summer. So today's video is going to be my July favorites. Yay! July is my favorite month of the year because it's my birthday month. So this is gonna be an extra special haul for all of us Cancerians and for the few Leos out there as well that have their birthdays at the very end of July. I didn't forget you. But before I carry on with the best monthly favorites of the year, please subscribe because I'm gonna start posting videos 3 times a week again because I'm gonna be working just on the weekends and doing YouTube during the week, and everything is gonna go back to normal now. So please activate that notification and remember to give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing, and I am wearing this gorgeous necklace. Ooh, that was sent to me by Ana Luisa Jewelry, and oh my god, this is the fanciest thing I own. Seriously, I'm not even joking. Oh my god, I'm dying. Because they're like an exclusive jewelry brand. I feel so posh even saying that. Basically, they do like limited edition things. So there are only a few of these and they're like super high quality and stuff. And they offered to send me one of their pieces for free, and I was like freaking out because that's just so cool. I feel so lucky, seriously. And that's all thanks to you, my beautiful, gorgeous subscribers. Whoa! And if you've been subscribed to this channel for a while, you know that I'm like crazy about chokers and necklaces and stuff. I just love when a necklace looks like it's 2 necklaces, but it's just one. I love that. Ooh, and it came in this gorgeous box. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love polka dots and like circles. It's it's beautiful. And when you open it, it's like fancy AF. Like, ooh, ooh. And I really like wearing it with this dress because I don't know if you can see, but it has silver glitter and that brings out like the silver of the necklace. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. By the way, I'm gonna put the links for everything I'm showing you in the description, and there will also be discount codes and all that good stuff. You're welcome. Gosh, I'm literally gonna faint. I'm sorry, I'm gonna open the window. If it's a bit noisy, like, please forgive me. Still hot as f***. And I am also wearing this gorgeous pink glittery princess dress by Amy Clubwear. Oh, which is a lovely online shop. But like seriously, just look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Woo, I have to iron it, but it's really gorgeous. When I opened the package and I saw this dress in person, I was literally screaming and jumping and running around the house. Because it's just like a human-sized Barbie dress. If my 5-year-old self could look at me right now, she would be very happy and proud. I feel like I've achieved something. I have a pink glittery dress and blue hair and a pink bedroom with a pink vanity. Oh my god, my 5-year-old self would be really pleased. They've also sent me some more awesome sparkly stuff. So they sent me this awesome sparkly dress. Oh, it's beautiful, and depending on which way you brush the little thing is too, it's a different color. Can you see? Like one side is blue and one side is kind of orange. Yeah, like this. Can you see this? Blue, orange, blue, orange. Ooh, it's a bit iridescent. It kind of goes green as well. Can you see? It's just so cool. And there's a bit of black velvet. Oh, if you watch my channel, you know I have about like 500 black velvet dresses because I have no creativity. And I just love black velvet. But this is like black velvet with color changing sequins. Sequins? Just like perfection. And oh my goodness, they also sent me there's too much love in my heart because like I love all of these dresses so much. They sent me this kind of like nice stretchy black dress that is just so cool because it has some like transparency on the side here, so you can like show some side boob, which is like really cool, even though I have like no boobs, but it looks good on people that have boobs. And I love all these gold hoops. You can never have enough black dresses, seriously. So, there's one more dress. Oh my god. Praise Jesus. Hallelujah. Thank you for all the dresses for the summer. Woo! So, fairy season has sent me this beautiful, amazing, fabulous, woo! A galaxy dress. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love galaxy things. Judge me, okay? I don't know if you noticed, but the cover of my channel, like if you go to the main page of my channel, it's like a pastel galaxy, and my subscribe button is pastel galaxy, and I have galaxy leggings because I don't know, I just like galaxy stuff. So when I saw this dress I was like, yes, please send it to me and I'm gonna love it forever. I'm lifting up my dress and fanning myself because it's just too hot. Next, I know I really try like not to show repeated stuff on my channel because I don't want it to be boring. But this was really one of my favorite things this year because I'm so in love with this sweatshirt. That is obviously my UV Me acid sugar sweatshirt. It's like a cropped sweatshirt. I can't wear it yet because it's so hot, but as soon as it gets a little bit colder, which is probably gonna be like tomorrow because I live in England, I'm gonna wear it and it's gonna be great because look at these see-through iridescent sleeves. They are the most beautiful thing in the whole entire universe. Oh, I love it. I just love it so much. By the way, this month I've also received some doll skill stuff and some more UV Me stuff, but I'm not gonna include it all here because I've already done separate hauls for that, but I'm gonna put it here in the cards somewhere so you can like go and watch that if you haven't watched it yet. Okay, now I'm gonna show you a few like actual birthday presents, but I'm not gonna be able to show you all of them because some of them are not here with me right now and because some of them were edible or drinkable, so they are already gone. And I filmed all my birthday presents on my Instagram stories as well, like the day after my birthday, so if you gave me a present, it was there. If I'm not showing it here, I've shown it in my Instagram stories. By the way, go follow me on Instagram, #selfpromo. This baby has been the most wonderful, fun, and useful thing. Do you know what this is? These are AirPods. Basically, they are the Apple cableless, is that a word? Earphones. And they are really great and fancy and the sound is awesome, but the best part is that you can hide it with your hair and then you can watch Project Runway when you're at work without anyone knowing. Not that I would ever do that. I've also got something so beautiful and so useful as well. Do you know like the power banks that you can use if your phone dies and stuff, so you can charge your phone when you don't have a plug? So I got one of these, but it's pink and cute. Look at this. No, let's take a moment to appreciate this beauty. Look at this. It's just so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Like it has a cat and it's pink. It has this metallic part and oh my god. It's beautiful, and now I'm always gonna have battery. It's gonna be great. If I remember to charge this one. Then I have something that is very, very kawaii, and it goes so well with my bedroom. Ah! Pushing mug! Ah! I'm in love with this for so many reasons. First of all, it has a pushing that is so cute. And it's a unicorn pushing with rainbow hair, and it's like pastel colors, and it says Meowgical. And this has been given to me by a friend that was like a childhood friend that I hadn't seen for like 10 years, and she came over like from Brazil to London, and we met and she gave me these, and it's just so beautiful and I'm feeling so emotional. Thank you. Then my friend Phoebe, you know her, she filmed a few videos with me. She gave me this awesome holographic backpack full of like awesome stuff inside. But it's not at my house at the moment because I'm so disorganized. The only thing from that bag that is here at the moment is this lovely perfume called Summer Nights that is so good and sweet. And I love it. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. Please tell me in the comments what was your favorite thing this month. It can be series, it can be a new boyfriend or girlfriend, anything. Just tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a very, very lovely day. Mwah.